Zhang Vicera, The Lung Physiological Functions. Confluence of all vessels assisting heart to circulate blood. Confluence of all the vessels has two aspects. On one hand, the vessels converge as they flow into the lung. On the other hand, several of them link the lung and the heart together structurally. The physiological significance is that the blood from the entire body flows into the lung, where by means of the lung's respiratory function, it engages in gas exchange. It then flows back to the entire body. The plain question states, the lung is like a ministerial official. With it comes functional coordination. This metaphorically compares the lung to the premier of a state and the heart to the king. The lung controls chi of the entire body and regulates respiration. Since the circulation of blood depends upon the motive force from chi, the lung assists the heart to drive blood circulation. For example, in chronic cough caused by lung chi deficiency, deficient chi is unable to push the blood to flow properly. This chi deficiency can lead to stasis of blood, giving rise to such symptoms as a forceless cough, dyspnea, a tightness in the chest, palpitation of the heart, and cyanotic lips and tongue. It can be seen that blood circulation results from the cooperation of the heart and the lung. Heart chi provides the motive force for the flow, and lung chi provides assistance. Dispersion, depuration, and clogging water pathways. Dispersion, one of the lung's main physiological functions, has three aspects. It disperses and distributes defensive chi to the surface of the body, where it can carry out its warming and protective actions. It distributes chi, blood, and body fluids to the entire body, where they nourish and moisten all organs and tissues. It disperses and expels from the body the stale air produced by metabolism in order to complete gas exchange, and it discharges fluids through the sweat pores. Depuration means purifying and descending. This function also has three aspects. The lung inhales fresh air from the natural environment and conveys it downward to the kidney so as to maintain deep, even, and smooth breathing. After the essential substances of drink and food have been transformed by the spleen, the lung distributes them throughout the body. In this way, it has an important role in the metabolism of fluids and in the maintenance of the proper balance of metabolism. The lung also eliminates the pathogenic poisons, keeps the respiratory tract clear, and assists the large intestine in the excretion of wastes. The unclogging function of the lung enables it to carry out its dispersing and purifying functions. The excretion of an appropriate amount of sweat helps regulate water balance and metabolism. When chi moves, so does water. When lung chi moves downward, fluids also move downward to reach the kidney, where they are converted into urine. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder to await excretion. These functions are the basis for the sayings, the lung regulates the passage of the water, and the lung is the upper source of water. The two main functions of the lung, dispersion and depuration, complement each other. Under physiological conditions, they act to maintain normal respiration. Under pathological conditions, they also affect each other. Without normal dispersion, there cannot be normal depuration, and without normal depuration, there cannot be normal dispersion. If these two functions are unbalanced, there may be tightness in the chest, cough, dyspnea, edema, and phlegm retention. Thank you for your attention.